This is J.P. Bangs Music.
Oh God, forgive me for my sins. I was just trying to win. Kill a city shifty, you get dripped for your bands. I know it's a dirty game, but I'm still playing. I've been locked up, popped twice, and snaked by a nigga. Gotta keep it on you, cause they hate to see you winning. Big choppers on deck, on the gang, I ain't slipping. Brody will smoke me if I ever became a witness. Might as well be a rat if you hanging with snitches. All that faking ridiculous, man, these niggas telling lies. Really ain't gon' kill shit or let nothing die. You can't name a time that I wasn't ready to slide. Oh God, I tricked around like a stolen whip. They on my face, now I be masked up, blowing the stick. How you tryna kill something in your pole legit? When I was doing bad, niggas wouldn't throw me the zip. I ran it up and now they wanna blow me and shit. My ex wanna work it out, better try yoga, bitch. We at war, so I went and bought a longer clip. The hook of Bellas, ho, you know we keep bangs. Bitch, I'm a goofy if you see me with a lame. Niggas can't hang if they ain't gang. And fuck the judge, free all my hitters in them chains. These hoes just wanna fuck on a nigga with a name. I ain't said a thing, and they already going for me. But just around, I was active in them war stories. And you just heard about what happened. 14, mama can find me, I'm around with a ratchet. Life ain't no joke, niggas get down for life.
Trip and slip up if you want, that's your ass, nigga. We don't show no love in these streets, you better ask, niggas. And my niggas down to do whatever to get a bag, nigga. Shock and Glocc know they gotta kill if they hit a nigga. Or send money, send pics if they cuff a nigga. And my bitch will do the same if she love a nigga. Press and play on everybody, we can't spare a nigga. Pray I never slip up and get snuck like they snuck dude. Or get rushed and jumped out on some Nova dude. Yeah, Ricky told on 20, but 20 told too. Have him running in the county, but that's old news. Independent old keep away, what's up with dudes? Ace Boogie told on Gary, bro, I ran to work. How you think I know the nigga, not from putting in work? Never knew who he was until I ran to work. Stay high, red ass got me in his paperwork. Telling details that we ain't family, bro. Dirty D just hit the stand, man, what's up with bro? Wasn't even on the case of volunteer rights. Lil Rod got 10 and still fighting the body. He on the plane stitch slip when they come talking, He on the plane stitch slip when they come talking,
Nigga, you ain't gangsta if you ever made a statement. Told the bitch that the money only thing that I'm chasing. Last time the suckers try to slide through, niggas chased them. Asked about us, we be on some gang shit. Nigga, you ain't gangsta if you ever made a statement. Told the bitch that the money only thing that I'm chasing. Last time the suckers try to slide through, niggas chased them. Asked about us, we be on some gang shit. Nigga, you ain't gangsta if you ever made a statement. Told the bitch that the money only thing that we chase.